Hello everyone, today I will show you how to stabilize footage in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it is done. To achieve a lock-on stabilization and enhance the sense of adventure in your footage for free, start by selecting the clip you want to stabilize and navigating to the Fusion tab in your video editing software. Right-click, then go to Add Tool, select Tracking, and choose Planar Tracker. Move the playhead to the middle of the timeline and set this as the reference frame. Next, use the polygon tool to draw a selection around your subject, ensuring accurate tracking. Begin by tracking backward from the reference frame to the start of the clip, then track forward from the reference frame to the end. Once tracking is complete, change the operation mode to steady to stabilize the subject. Finally, return to the edit page and use the transform controls to adjust the framing and remove any unwanted edges caused by the stabilization process. This method results in smooth, professional-looking footage, making your adventure shots more immersive and visually engaging. And that is everything you need to know about how to stabilize footage in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.